Hello everyone. Is this the right time to invest into the stock markets? Is the question which bothers many of the investors in the current scenario. Be it investors who are already invested into the stock markets or a new investor who wishes to get into the stock market in the current scenario. The answer to that question is both yes and no. Before getting into that question, let's evaluate how the stock markets are placed in the current scenario. Over the last several weeks, Indian equity markets, along with the global equity markets, have recovered very sharply from the lows the markets witnessed in the month of March. And that's when COVID-19 struck the world from nowhere, crippling the global economy. The global economies went on a prolonged lockdown to contain the virus spread. So that crippled the economic activity and the shockwaves were felt in the equity markets. Traders and investors fled the equity markets in search of safe assets, and that's when the gold prices consistently went up. In such a scenario, within the short span of couple of months, equity markets recovered dramatically from the lows of March to the current levels, which are significantly higher when compared to the month of March. The investors would be certainly surprised and shocked to see the kind of recovery the markets have seen over the last couple of months. But that's how markets behave and react in the short term. For the markets, sentiment matters the most in the short term and not much of fundamentals which matter the most. Couple of factors helped the equity markets recover very sharply from the lows of March to come to the current levels, which are significantly higher in comparison. Number one, the sentiment improved. The fact that some of the economies came out of the lockdown helped the economic cycle, to get revived in some parts of the world. Number two, the news of vaccination for COVID-19 is coming in every day, and that is giving a lot of hope for the global economies and the stock markets in general. So these are the two factors which help the markets recover from the lows of March to reach the levels of pretty highs in the current scenario. This is nothing different in Indian equity markets. Indian equity markets were in fact helped by the foreign equity flows which came in from different parts of the world in search of better returns. That helped Indian equity markets recover pretty much faster than the global equity markets. In the current scenario, given this present condition, can the investors take a plunge in the equity markets is a big question, and that's a million-dollar question. Yes is one side of the answer. If someone is looking at equities, for the purpose of wealth creation over the next 5-10 years, timing doesn't matter. They can still enter the markets in the current level, but with a caution. With such a kind of sudden rise within a short duration will definitely warrant a reasonably good correction. That will happen anytime soon, though no one knows how and when. So people ideally should wait for a good correction to happen and then enter the markets. If that's not the case, investors should stagger the investments over a period of time if they are looking at a longer term. In that scenario, placing all the capital in the current market is certainly not advisable, whereas someone should stagger the investments over the next few months depending upon the market conditions. For new investors or for the investors who will find it difficult to predict the market conditions and take stock of it, investing through the route of mutual fund is the best option available to them. Mutual funds through a variety of equity mutual funds are the best option given the current scenario where mutual funds will have 20-30 stocks in their portfolios across various funds. That gives a lot of cushion for the investors to spread their risk across various companies and various sectors. Even within mutual funds, investors should look to invest through the route of SIP, which is basically staggering your investments over a period of time, taking the advantage of the markets up and down, which we call it as the volatility. By investing through the mode of SIP, investors are better off by avoiding the volatility over a period of time, and that can eventually lead to better wealth creation over a period of time. In the current scenario, investors have to be cautious given the fact that markets have risen up very quickly, and wait for a reasonable level of correction to enter the equity markets to create better returns. Thank you.